ano de ye kan say de tie no a ubetimi apemasem wo pa wo betam enyamasem but one is about Ghana and no one sem ne ye ka na ade a ekosu sese last week ina de wo krum de na ekoso Ghana obo ade a cheye ade no more de amaye bi esika ko ye di hu dwa e de hu bra no ye de hu mfaso no e de bo man no ho bra na ne ebeto odwa ne se oman yakodi eye sika kokko hu dwa utie eye mampani ne na pamfo mu dwumadi a wo mu di ne ade a wo mu kire se sika kokko no aye ton no emu sika ne bi ana wo mu de so ye economy ni mu a utie ye wura to forcing eye fotosamfo de ma oman a wo kire se ye hu senkyerene a ye hu oman mu economy no ye ka ye de yetimi tua na inflation ba fam na interest rate ni ade no so aba fam amene interbank rate no mo kire se sesia no eno ka ho bi ena me ye hunu around the teens ho no until last time trade drop it by 14 which is now between 14-18 oko other places where we used to be around 30 and 25 ni ade no eswat no a gold hu sika no bi ebe re economy no eka ho bi ne ehu de yehu no dollar no a wo manage ne so wo kire se gold no mo koton no hu sika ne bi ene wo di wura mu a ye de manage nti utimi se gold no so mfaso no eye oman no enya so mfaso baradia ne enemu ne se gold ni dwadie mu no eka abechiri anase operations ni mu emu dwumadie ni mu no anamotu a ye di dwa no eka biaba na IMF International Monetary Fund womu aibo ye besia 3 billion ya ye koje besia ye tua enu nti krom ka kire se mamo mfa obi ni mu adwuma ye mamo ikota de nche se womu ye nhyehyɛ de ma womu ne tutu ya na mo si ye na anu ya ye se ye wie ya ye ni womu bo brass wo mbe kire de mum ye ni womu kasa no sa anamotuo ni nyina mu no kire ye nse se ebetumi aboye ho bra ne ye nya sika afri gold mu de aboman ne ho bra de a ene na ye se ye betu ne ebenya ne enkopa besi emfiri ama no ne emfa made na ese gold wadwadie no ehu ye ese yetimi di ne ye ne ye di sika no ewuram because IMF ye kwaje $3 billion ti se yetimi ton gold ne yetimi nya 10 billion ananse 20 billion kura ne de bewura o man ne di so ya sene ne yetimi de ko yanimu a eye better. But the issue is that ese adwadie ni mu no ekaba IMF no the report aba se eja omu na ehwe yanamo in fact ye wie ye nche nti 2025 ni nyina omu hwe yanamo ne ade nti omu the report aba se ye gold no eton ni mu no anase gold adwadie ni ekabi bai na no na yewura Afenyo-Markin eye domkumi a womu na hye bedwafie ba no dani ejina simpie so na wotwetwe mu ekofa saa hawo nyina ne mu dede nyina bakrumi ekoka se eye gold board e na abo saa aka no na yentie no kakra
se obi akoye adwuma mpo obebi na sende iyokofo etata no yokofo etata binum attorney general ye press conference osio obi mpo oye ayaban adwuma eka 5 million cedis 3 million cedis 10 million cedis yetumi frɛ wo iyoko na wakoda ho na yesi fa ejapade a asumbo for branch ya mobile na ne go ball for be dia be hu we dia sa 22 billion losses here almost gold board abokai and then who bill ezika ben na ye de bedi bill oh we as said here yes wo
asemwe ena Afenyo-Markin ko kan yesi gold board abokai na wa page report no nti uba Facebook a wo video no so wa page report no de share IMF report na yesi gold board aboka and okasa extensively on it say gold board aboka nti sa mejamfi bill ebe ye kese pa when ene ebia ebreso say wo mo probuna but adeba kwa wonim say ya na yen ye kan ho asem on jetuato is about facts and the detail of every issue eba. Say in fact, if you are being very objective, IMF report no obi atimi kenkan brofo. Enya de ye different. Je fato sumaye. Paragraph 13 ni ye clear. Said ye Afenyo-Markin gina simpie so kafa gold board ho no. Afenyo we chantro per the reference to IMF report. In fact, about 47 times gold board din eba mu ewo report ni nyina mu no. One can say gold board aboka. IMF never said that. And I repeat, about 47 times our gold board a DPA report ni muno. One can say gold board aboka. And so na enwanwa say brofua a that screen so aye nyina ye betumi akan ba about DGPP domestic gold purchase program ya Bank of Ghana and ye ni dwumadie a Bank of Ghana man sika kura bia batan and di ho dwuma. In fact, I was surprised here reading report I was start here. I was saying losses in 2024 were equivalent to almost $400 million. Now it's 2024. Ye boka $400 million. E will gold a jedium. It na IMF report in paragraph 13 e show. Now it's a gold ni ye shas ye bo ho kano. E ye ni jedie ho kano. Enye 2025 in IMF reference it. And what I said 2025 also, the significant scaling up of DGPP, no a gold purchase program, no. Ye sika sem no sika ko no hu dwadie no. Operations no. Ye no. Ye pija mu kese panti is a gold in the ton no emu dwadie no ko soro kese panti ma ye kaso a ye boy no e ko soro e bedru $1.7 billion. But catch your 2024, ye boka $400 million. 2025, or say significant scaling up. Just say ye si to go di hu ye pija mududo. Eko ne nimu pa anti be wiase ye bo echirika $1.7 billion. Or say almost entirely related to gold for oil, gold for reserve door purchases. This amounts to a loss of 17% of value of the gold sold by the Bank of Ghana. A judicial report no so. Or say Bank of Ghana. Or say sold by Bank of Ghana. Eti gold board no kototo gold. Na Bank of Ghana atoni gold. Eti Bank of Ghana kotoni gold no a. Na oboka. Gold IMF no crack can say sold by Bank of Ghana. Na ade etieni say there was significant scaling up. Gold no chese ne to ene ne ton ho adwadie ekosoro. E kire say oto enoma no $10. Me fan so wato aburo $10. Oto $10 a 1,000 cedis. Na obo ho ka eye me fan say wato wasende obi akoto aburo bag 1,000 cedis. $10, 1,000 cedis. Now waboka 10 cedis. Oto about $50. What can no 10 cedis be? Definitely, why increasing? Why scaling up? We purchase no ma wo to nintino. What can no? Ebe kosro abrosa. Obe boka be 50 cedis because times 5 of the losses you make. This is common logic. But the issue here is when losses na yesi abano Afenyo-Markin attributing to a gold board report on enkasa and the emphasis was on gold board. And I was surprised because we a common comprehension reading grammar what lost by ewo and oka operations no say enoma eka ho a ema eka no ba yina and my country was about 47 times obo yina never said gold board and that one ye dey ato no was most importantly exchange rate losses from the spread between forex bureau rates paid to gold and the CD reference paid to purchase gold and the CD reference which on be can say omo koto gold no a yes small scale miners no say omo twefam edi gold no kwa ma wodo so koto nti no wono mo to no men can say black market price na omo betro the Bank of Ghana books mo throw interbank rate na and so mko abonti omoto market price na black market price na eno wo so nti dollar no interbank rate 11 cedis a omko abonti esan se o kwa abochi wa akwaje dollar na obeto 12 cedis no wono so to wo small scale miners wa wo de be mo 12 cedis. But omo try no Bank of Ghana books no 11 cedis nti eden ya that forex difference then what kind of ebe be losses which is explained there. But adia ba kwa wa ne say Bank of Ghana omo me atiase say their operations are not to make profit, but omo operations ne so betumi sustain the economy no. That is what they do. And to omo trade bia omo ye bia ne so behwese economy no no ma betumi akoye na hehan. We have made losses. We must be interested in the 22 billion loss no. Dear ne ya nyini here SS sano ne ye na foforo betumi ama ye moka ebeduru saa. That is what we should be thinking about right now. And yet say you do blame ekoma baby a eni say blame ne ko. Eni say you blame ekoma because maybe e bia person wa attack you binti. Ebia woni obi wo personal problem and na bibia te senti as being alleged enti bia wo be direct it towards data enye no kure wo report nim and it's facts and evidence in fact as I speak Osha losses I am making. This is not the first time a Bank of Ghana is making losses on gold trade. And I say, Boka will go to. In fact, since 2021, 2021, 15 million, 2022, $9 million, 2023, $120 million, 2024, $400 million, 2025, and we are asking ourselves, say, baby, I druno, a Bank of Ghana, any year, will go trade anymore, and I'm happy, say, to say, good board ebe start no no ankasa kotokra enkoye Bank of Ghana na ekoton bi mo ma be kwa koton. And if that happens then a kediba we can blame good board for it. But then yes abreya the report has emphasized say a Bank of Ghana and a koton gold no ono a make that particular losses no and ye be shifty blame to the other side. It must be made clear. Now, join news. I fact check on this. Jeff, my Bank of Ghana, we know. No, not this one. The fact check on gold board. What check it say gold board and on the board canana. Or see minorities claim Afenyo-Markin and some more cano. Dear Yashishima Yehuni. Or see gold board did not make any trading loss in 2025. Its own audited accounts show a surplus. There's a gold board krano so me na yi no krano ni sika de man so mfa ni dwuma krano bi ka ekire ene ade a chese o ma yenya mfaso wo so. But the 22 billion figure the minority cited is real and correctly quoted from the IMF. It is the Bank of Ghana loss under the gold purchase program. Medical Canada. Over the next one, or say nowhere in either IMF document nor in the 47 separate mentions of gold board across the 182-page staff report, and not in paragraph 13 itself that the IMF say gold board caused the loss or that the loss sits on gold board's books. And the structural breakdown of gold board Jumedini say they are only agent for Bank of Ghana. Jessica Koto gold brem. O de ba. Ono Bank of Ghana the only gold bere there. No gold board there. Enye na sem so koton what it is one man crofo. And when you read the reporter, some of the discounter Bank of Ghana na de ma wo mo a ton. And also contributed to the losses. And when gold board na ekoya na. So some of these things come in where we need to ask questions. We need to actually face the truth as how it is now. Economic losses there etimiba e wededim. Na me pene say ye be kwa koton gold no na sa small scale miners no ye be ma wo mo sa bonuses ahodo ni bi mo di gold na ma ye dan so mbe smuggle because when smuggling dey cost ye je from ye in between 2019 to 2024 gold aye smuggle free Ghana hanko anu a wo man no anya mu sika no $11.4 billion ene da ho no ne manfo ria de fasumase gold a ye de free oman mu fasumase e de dwane free oman mu a oman no anya so mfaso no is $11.4 billion. It is ye lusu way any 1.4 something billion dollars no a $1.7 billion. And it's so lose $11.4 billion. No, we a businessman. Dear Hinanka Befa. The common logic. It is a motivate small scale miners. No more far the name first must find Nhyira. Near mocha to some of these level $11.4 billion. Near Benya good no to me akoto nya musika dia babo wane ho bra. What is the noise? What is the noise? And adia ba ko a me hu ne say it was say losses na aba no. Ye kire mu yi 2 CD kwa ha. Where ye say na ontimi chim. Apart from that, another thing that Abane say, Afenyo-Markin has been accused. Say, or extorted, ana or Jessica, or extortionist. Sami Jemfiaka, says as me by no. Afenyo-Markin, or you be or extorted, and I say, or didn't need to me, your case will be extortionist, or your criminal, or Yanisika. And now we need the Japade a free and grow for a bra we use force and not threat and intimidation and our power beer within the power no a popo would be free war. Tia can extortionist as sanity and Sami Jemfi has said Afenyo-Markin. Yes, any pan.
I and Afenyo-Markin that you don't know and those watching don't know. I have appeared on news far many times. Perhaps in this country I have held more press conferences on political issues than anybody. Have you ever heard me use the word extortion against any of my critics? Have you ever heard me? Why will I use this word now? And why have you not heard Afenyo say anything about that? Or challenge me? Or threaten to sue? So the NPP people talking, there are things you don't know. I will not just, me, I'm a consummate Democrat. I eat and drink debates. I'm not worried.
Call the minority leader an extortionist.
I'm not worried if you criticize him to... Yes. And that is why he cannot comment on that.
A serious allegation. Say Afenyo-Markin. Eshe sumase. Na ojijiji. Noma bi a obeju sika na bibi. Se be ya noma bi wo ho no mo a. Ehua na motuo no. Ebe bibi wo ho. Na sa allegation ya Sami Jemfi emeki ye no. I raise a lot of issues. As I say no, Afenyo nye nipa bia keke or a minority leader. He's a minority leader in parliament. And don't come on a down mano. Now your kasa semi fan of one. If you say Iyoko, OSP, other investigative bodies no ebo many bre ewo no mushishim. Because leader no only di a domain more parliament. Eho and na government business. No my deba ebe bobo hu nipa omudi dwuma nyina ye call for accountability ya parliament na di say dwuma gina ya name. Na edom kuma ba no deni ye kasa semi afa no Sami Jemfi say onu opa ometna ha. Omfre woni Afenyo nyina no metna Afenyo ntimi nya no Afenyo nso anu yi ode ba ne se Yesu kura ye kan ne ho asem ti wono ya kan ne ho asem a enya nwanwanti onsi onfa nko ba bia onka ho asem. And it means say SCM ye niku ho, because as it stands now we don't really know say asem na ye kan say enete, because in 2015 Afenyo-Markin ya MPP scrutinizing for extortion allegations be the same thing. Jeff Fatusumai, MPP scrutinizes Afenyo-Markin over extortion allegation. And now that Sami Jemfi raises allegations ni biemuno, he has to pay much attention. Because this is not the first time yet extortion attaching to the name of Afenyo-Markin, which is very serious. And I learned other political parties, United Party, ni adin almost was already the petitions echo. We must be interested in investigating this. Iyoko, OSP, all the investigation bodies in Ghana. Matisse minority no so say enko omu be hyiemu na omu hyiemu a omu beton sa Afenyo-Markin. But Afenyo dey abetu ni pages see Jeff Fatu mame. Just about some few minutes ago. Or say dear joy kano enye no kre say minority fo nso ombe hyia no. Enti no on the contrary no parliament na convening tinya de say a regular practice Akokoa so no be hyia na yam misinterpreting for say wo mu friend nti yam pulling it down. But say minority fo am friend no kra OSP any Iyoko ni ade no, you must be interested in this because onye nipa hunu bi akeke, and this is a very serious issue. and serious allegation. And yes, I'm meeting Fin Kwanaka, Erika J. And so within this government, we see Waka. I want to confidently on air. So we must be interested as a country to find out. That's my words and my call to the investigative bodies. Do the investigation. But as I said, the fact is the fact. Bank of Ghana and making that losses, and the report paragraph 13 didn't say gold board. And Maya nyaya politics nesa. Ubetumi aka nokore no na wo ka nokore ni wi a wo se sika no kana ya bone yenhwehwem ba ne mfa nkɔhye obi a enye wo no a na wo nka se nipa no se bi ebia wa se sika na gudu botom de kɔ. Bank of Ghana making losses of 60 billion in 2022. It is sika no e should be bottom. Because the Bank of Ghana making losses in 2024 to $400 million no and also should be bottom ana. Then we must go back and search for all those things. Me I will be interested to see about this getting in my Ghana. Losses I am making in. That's my words for now.